So, as you guys may or may not know, I recently got this drone. Now, my backyard is connected to like a lake, and there's like a bunch of different spots that people like hang out and smoke weed and stuff. And there's also a golf course. So I've been messing with people, and I got this footage that I want you guys to see here. As you guys can tell, I'm taking some cinematic footage. And look, I get up, I'm over in this area, and you guys see that little hole right there? That's like where people go smoke pot. Like over off to the right. So I'm trying to avoid these trees. I see these lines. I'm like, oh no, I don't want to hit the lines. Be careful. And then this Jeep pops up. Alright, keep an eye on this Jeep, okay? So I see that Jeep. I fly close, I'm like, what the heck? And then out opens all 4 doors. Oh shit, a drone. And they all go back in. And then they all, they're like, their whole time was drone. They just got up and left. They saw the drone. And they're like, dip. And that same day I was flying. Right, I'm flying and I encountered this young boy playing golf. He looks at me and he hits me with that Cam Newton shit. I made a friend. I got to record him playing golf. You know what I mean? He was pretty good. Up until he gets to this point. Looks at me. Oh, poor kid. So he walks up, hits it again. And then he hits it straight into the sand trap. He hit it straight into a sand trap. And watch this. He hits it. And it goes like 4 feet. And he dabs on the camera. He never even made it into the hole. Never even made it into the hole. Literally so clown. I followed him to the next hole. Because you know we're friends. Homeboy's got dingers. Look at that. I'll turn around. Some cool cinematic shots. I think this is so funny. I think this is so funny. He hits it onto the green. He messes up. I know. Takes a practice shot. Some intense math calculations. He messes up again. And then he hits in the hole. Alright guys, so if you like that video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to see more videos of me messing with people, hit the like button. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.